Let's look at putting the letter H in Morse code rhythms. The letter H in Morse code is dit-it-it-it. That is 4 short sounds. Short, 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 short. Dit-it-it-it. In rhythm will be 4 eighth notes in a row. Dit-it-it-it. And that is the letter H in Morse code. I have only created 3 single eighth notes. And so I'm going to take a moment and maybe here letting you see how I will create another eighth note so that I can get 4 on the page. I'm going to go over to my Finder where I have my eighth notes, and I'm going to right click and click duplicate, and now I have another one. I'll open that up. It's a little bit bigger than the others, so I'm going to make it just a bit smaller and make it about the same size as the rest. And we need to get all 4 of these in a row to show us how to do the letter H in Morse code rhythms. There it is. Did it, 4 eighth notes.